So let's go ahead and write a simple program that allows us to type in 5 numbers and adds them all up and produces the result. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with a number array equals new int. I said 5 numbers, so let's go ahead and do 5. So what's going on here? We are creating an array. We're declaring it with this code right here. We're saying we want a number array of type int array. Again, remember, every time you see these little square brackets right there, it pretty much just means array. We're turning an int into an int array, and that's what we're creating. The second bit of code, we're instantiating the int array to be an int array with 5 elements inside of it. So we have a number array, and that is an array of ints, so it contains 5 ints.